This is the old water pump. You can hear some of the noise. Let me turn it. Hear that? That's what is causing the noise when the car runs. It's that the water got across the seal between the bearings inside here and the coolant on the other side. Between that bearings and the coolant, there's a seal inside there, and that went bad, and the coolant got in there, and the bearings rusted or something. Anyway, you also see right there this hole. The coolant was starting to come out there. That's on the other side of the bearing.